What's going on tomorrow? I do not know, guys. I have to go check online right now, see if anything's planned for tomorrow. I'm gonna break away here shortly right now, just due to the fact that I have to be up early tomorrow now. I have to go figure out where to fix my phone. Gotta replace the cameras on the phone. I could see like a thin line, probably broken camera, and then a complete shatter LCD screen in the front of the phone. So I got to take care of that. What's the point of the action outside of the hotel earlier? See, they have word that they had several ICE agents staying at this hotel, Home 2 Suites, so they came out and were doing a noise disturbance, making a whole bunch of noise to keep the ICE agents up. It led to spray painting in the broken window and a trashed lobby. You had one Minneapolis Police Department officer standing in the door until that Border Patrol federal agent came in, and then two of them ran right behind them. That deployed tear gas, caused some of the people to leave the area, and then media, we were up there for a while until those two Bearcats came in, and they pretty much cleared the area with flash grenades and so forth. So it looks like they're leaving now, guys. It is starting to get colder and colder out here. It's supposed to be -12 degrees at 4 a.m. in 4 hours here. Crazy.